Oga Shoemaker. So you have graduated, Abby. You have moved from manual sewing machine and you have graduated to industrial sewing machine. Congratulations. Now you become. But let me ask you something. Since you bought that your machine, how has it been? Are you really using it the way you should? Is it making your life easier? A machine should make your life easier, shouldn't it? But that your machine is almost driving you crazy. It's just running too fast. As you cannot catch up with it. Before you say, stay here, it has gone from Badagry to Ekpe in 2 seconds. If that is your experience, come closer and let me tell you something. The problem you are having is that you are using a machine that is designed for people in the fabrics industry. It's called a clutch motor. If head they touch, you know they stay one place. They run. So when you tell it to stop here, it will sew 3 or 4 stitches ahead of you. It will misplace your stitches and your work will not look as professional and as nice as you want it to. Which is why I want to introduce you to something that you should be using, which is called a servo motor. The advantages of a servo motor is that you can control the speed. It stops when you tell it to stop. The moment you remove your leg, bam, it stops. And then a servo motor also, when you control the speed, if you set it to go at 1 stitch in 1 second, that is the speed it will go. No matter how you press down on your pedal, it won't pass that speed. It will not exceed that speed. That's the advantage of a servo motor. So that's why I reached out to the dealers of this 2-lion sewing servo motor, and they promise that if you use the link in the description to purchase yours, you get a good price that is cheaper than that clutch motor that is driving you crazy. It can't be better than this. In this Lagos, in this Nigeria, in this day and age, in this world today, you don't need anything that messes up with your mental health. What you need is something that does what you want it to do when you want. This is a servo motor. It's lightweight, but it will do most of the work that you need to do as a leather person and as a light bag maker. That machine that is driving you crazy, it is called a clutch motor. That's not what you need. What you need is a servo motor. And this one you can purchase in Nigeria. You can also purchase it elsewhere from anywhere else in the world. And if you use the link in the description to purchase yours, you'd get it for a discounted price of about 32,000 naira. And that is even cheaper than that clutch motor that is almost driving you kulu. Thank me later. Get yourself a 2-lion servo industrial sewing machine and you join the big boys. God bless you.